Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up Find My Samsung on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys need to do is head over to Find App. So go to the Samsung folder and now click Find. Here, what you need to do is click Continue and now click Continue once again. Here, click Continue, and here you can choose when will you get the notification when someone views your location. You can set it once every 30 days, 20 days, 10 days, or every time. Now click Next, and now you can allow Samsung Find to access your contacts. So just allow it. And here what you can do is allow it to access the location. And as you guys can see, now here after we change the location and we go back to Find App, as you guys can see, it's right here. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.